Welcome to the 21st century.
I could do that.
You want to slip on a dress and give it a shot?
Hey, Marty, you should have killed me while you had the chance. You want the kids? Come get them.
This house until we knock it down. So let yourself go.
Courageous, but insane.
The Expendables 3 starts August 15th.
Hey, what's happening, movie fans? Golden Globe winning actress Tina Fey is reportedly attached to star in and produce a witch comedy film for Disney. The Wrap reports that Fey is producing the untitled witch flick under her Little Stranger banner. While many people may think that this project is a Hocus Pocus sequel, that's apparently not the case, even though Disney is supposedly working on Hocus Pocus 2. That's all for today. I'm Valerie, and remember, failure teaches success. See ya!